If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
The theme of the 2024 Children's Day celebration in Idemili North Local Government Area, Anambra State, is Children's Inclusivity, which reflects the free basic education initiative of Governor Chukwuma Soludo's administration.
Yes, the thing is effective. Well, thank the Governor Chukwuma Soludo for the recruitment of that 7,000 teachers. Yes, and secondly, that free education from primary 1 to JS3. That's free education. It's up to they're implementing it.
Okay.
It's implementing already.
So it's impacting Anambra so far?
Yes. At least I have a word. Somebody that stays with me. I've not paid the school fees since last year.
Okay.
Yes. So the thing is effective. The message, the theme of the 2024 Children's Day says inclusiveness, children's inclusiveness. That from the address, the head of local government administration, Mrs. Acting Chairman too, Mrs. Crest Emeka, read from the message. She advised the parents and the guardians to guide their children well, to teach them how to show love to one another.
Celebrated all over the world on Monday, 27th day of May 2024, which is also a day Monday sit at home is illegally observed in the southeastern part of Nigeria, but Comrade Uche Nwora, the public relations officers of Idemili North Local Government Area, affirmed that it did not prevent the pupils and students of different schools in Idemili North Local Government Area to come out en masse to participate in the yearly march past, cultural dance, and other activities to mark the 2024 Children's Day celebration.
Well, it was an impromptu one. But we thank God that they turned out. In fact, we're not even expecting the number that came today because of this Monday sit-at-home problem. But we thank God. To God be the glory. The weather was even favorable, so it went well.
The school that took the first position in this year march past.
First position, 74 points. Ogbe Primary School, Ogidi.
Mrs. Okoye Eze Geraldine, the head mistress of the school, could not contain her joy as she promised to inspire her pupils to retain the position next year.
I feel very, very excited. At least taking these children out, they enjoy themselves. Now so try much possibly best whatever first we can do. So first short with the highest. Can you maintain because one is to get it, two is to maintain it, so that you maintain it.
From Idemili North Local Government Secretariat, Ogidi, Anambra State, Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie reporting.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.